Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If your smartbird feeder camera lens keeps fogging up, you're probably noticing blurry live video, hazy recordings, or cloudy images, especially during early mornings or after rain. Even though the camera is working normally, moisture collecting on the lens can make it difficult to clearly see the birds visiting your feeder. This usually happens because of humidity, sudden temperature changes, or water droplets trapped around the camera housing. The main thing is that you can often improve the image without replacing the camera. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple steps you can try to reduce lens fogging and restore a clear view. 1. Dry the lens gently with a clean microfiber cloth. 2. Check the camera housing for trapped moisture or water. 3. Improve airflow by avoiding tightly enclosed mounting locations. 4. Adjust the camera angle to reduce direct rain exposure. 5. Clean the lens regularly to prevent residue from trapping moisture. 6. Test the live view after the lens is completely dry.